This is how my hair looks before and after using the products, and you can see a huge difference.
Hi you guys, I'm Prableen. Welcome back to my channel. I really hope you all are safe and at home and taking care of yourselves because of this entire corona situation. And for today's video, I'm going to be showing you the products that have literally changed the game for me since it's a lockdown, and you know, I have a lot to shoot, and because of this weather change and so much pressure of work, I think I literally have to like style my hair every second day, and it just gets to my hair and my hair became so dry, so unmanageable. I had to do something because I went to the salon when I had to get my hair done for my birthday, and when I went there, everyone was just, you know, literally like looking at my hair, and they were like, you need to do something for your hair because it's really damaged. Actually, they were the ones that suggested me to use this range from Loreal Professional. I'm going to be talking to you about my current hair care routine and how this range of products have literally made my hair so manageable and so soft and smooth. I cannot even like stop running my hands through my hair.
To start off, I'm using the Loreal Professional Serie Expert shampoo. This has quinoa and it's really good for your hair. It makes my hair really soft and smooth, and after doing that, I use the Serie Expert Masque, which is for absolute repair. The texture itself feels super soft and buttery, and the smell is really good. When my stylist recommended this mask, he told me to go pro way to apply it, which is why I'm going to show you how it's supposed to be done. So first, always apply on damp hair. Don't take too much. It's a potent formula and will spread throughout your hair very easily. Section your hair and only apply from mid-length to the ends. Keep it on for 3 to 5 minutes and let it work its magic. This is how my hair looks before and after using the products, and you can see a huge difference.
You can literally see what difference this made to my hair. It's tangle free, it's soft, it's smooth, and it's so manageable. It just gives you results right after the first use, and that is one of the best things I love about this product. These products are also available on Flipkart and Amazon. I'm going to be linking all the details in the description so you can get your hands on these products if you like them. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you all did, give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.